at these two characters that you end up rooting for on a similar level because they're both very sympathetic. So I want to go back to the boxing training you took to play this character.
예, 그 시나리오를 보고 매료가 되고 그 이전에 실제 이야기에 매료돼서 너무나 이 작품에 이 작업을 하고 싶었어요. 근데 훈련이 막상 시작되고 나니까 바로 후회가 됐습니다. 실제 그 복싱 그 박서들 하는 그 훈련을 매일 아침 그 올림픽공원 그 잠실 올림픽공원을 매일같이 그 이제 박서들과 매일같이 조깅을 러닝을 했죠. 처음에는 반도 못 뛰고 반이 뭡니까? 진짜 40이 넘어서 그 젊은 친구들하고 뛰려니까 미치겠더라고요. 근데 한 열흘이 지나니까 슬슬 이제 적응이 되기 시작했습니다. 근데 결과적으로는 점점 탄력이 붙어서 작품이 요구하는 신체 조건과 어떤 정신 상태가 점점 돼가는 것을 느끼면서 아주 어떤 희열을 느끼게 됐습니다. 그리고 이 자리를 빌어서 지금 이 자리는 없지만 저의 사랑하는 후배 유승범 씨와 같이 훈련을 땀을 흘렸던 그 기억이 나서 아주 흐뭇해지네요. 예.
When I read the script, I was very moved, and as I said earlier, it's based on a true story. I was also very moved by the true story as well, and I really wanted to do this film. But once I started the training, I regretted it right away. So I actually trained with boxers, as I mentioned earlier. Every morning we ran the Olympic Park in Seoul. And in the beginning, I couldn't even run half of what they were running. And I was over 40, and training with these really young youngsters was quite difficult. But after about 10 days, I started catching up, and I got into the hang of things. And I felt my body physically and mentally getting ready, prepared, and getting closer to the character, which was a very ecstatic feeling actually. And watching this film again reminds me of how it was training, sweating with Yoo Seung-bum, who's my junior and who I love very much.
Should I also, Yoo Seung-bum is the brother of the director, not everybody. Which brings me to my next question. It's an important film on many levels. It was made in 2005. So I want to ask two questions. It's a film directed by Yoo Seung-wan, who I said earlier is a good friend of the festival. We had him here last year. Crying Fist, we actually showed a few years back. So how would you describe working with Yoo Seung-wan? He's I think one of the most interesting directors from Korea, very action-focused. This one film is a little bit different, I think, from what he's done. Specifically, it's something like City of Violence. It's a completely different type of movie. And Crying Fist, I think, is arguably his most emotional film. I would like you to describe a little bit what it was like working with him in that sense. And I'll ask my second question afterwards.
그 유승범 형제는 굉장히 유쾌한 친구들입니다. 영화적으로도 유쾌하고 인간적으로도 유쾌하고 그래서 정말 지금까지도 아주 좋은 친분 관계를 유지하고 정말 친동생들 같이 그렇게 생각하는 친구들입니다. 둘 다 이게 뭐 저 개인적인 이야기지만 뭐 제가 하니까 상관없을 거라고 뭐 하리라 믿습니다. 둘 다 굉장히 좀 불우한 가정 환경 속에서 자란 친구들입니다. 일찍 부모님이 돌아가시고 제대로 정상적인 교육도 못 받고 자라는 그런 친구들이었습니다. 그런데 하나는 한국을 대표하는 영화 감독이 되어 있고 또 한 명은 한국을 대표하는 영화 배우가 되어 있습니다. 두 친구의 그 어떤 그 치열한 삶을 옆에서 선배인 제가 이렇게 보면은 항상 감동을 받을 때가 많습니다. 그래서 2005년도 지나간 과거를 이렇게 돌이켜 보면은 그 두 친구들과 작업을 했던 그 기억이 지금 지금까지도 아주 지금 행복하게 자리 잡고 있고 또 앞으로도 기회가 되면은 꼭 같이 작업을 하고 싶은 후배이자 동료입니다.
The brothers, the director Yoo Seung-hwan and the actor Yoo Seung-bum are both very fun and very enjoyable people in terms of personally and also in terms of film as well. And even to this day, I'm very close to them and they're like my brothers. Personally, they actually experienced a very difficult situation when they were growing up because their parents passed away when they were very young. They weren't able to get the standard education, formal education that people the youngsters usually get. And yet they have become one of the most famous film directors in Korea and one of the most famous actors in Korea. And as I look how they have lived their lives under such dire circumstances, I cannot but be moved. And 2005 was when we made this movie. And looking at this movie, I reminisce about the memories that we shared with the three of us, which brings back happiness to me. And I sincerely hope that I have an opportunity to work with both of them, these close colleagues of mine, in the future again.